Welcome to RG News. Today we're going to discuss the top P10 AI news stories of July 30, 2025. The pace of AI and IT is truly relentless, and staying updated feels like a constant sprint.
It really does. Exactly. And what we're doing today is, a vital snapshot. You're basically witnessing this multi-front war for domination chips, talent, data, even societal legitimacy.
Wow.
It's a hyper-accelerated moment, and these stories, they connect in fascinating ways. We'll try to unpack that for you.
Okay, let's dive in. Kicking things off with a monumental agreement sounds like it's set to reshape semiconductor manufacturing. What's the deal here?
Yeah, this is big. Tesla and Samsung, they've just inked this massive $16.5 billion pact to run through 2033.
Wow, $16.5 billion.
Right. And Samsung will produce Tesla's next-gen AI6 chips right here in Texas. Think of it as the unified brain for Tesla's full self-driving tech and their Optimus robots.
A single brain for both.
Exactly. And this isn't just about, diversifying suppliers. It deeply embeds Tesla's AI hardware production on U.S. soil, boosting tech sovereignty. Elon Musk even said he'd, quote, personally walk the line to ensure efficiency.
He actually said that.
Yep. It's a serious move towards vertical integration in AI. A real game changer.
From silicon to superbrains. It really highlights that foundational race. And speaking of brains, the AI talent war just escalated dramatically, didn't it?
Oh, absolutely. You could say that again. Mark Zuckerberg just officially poached Shengjia Zhao.
Zhao, the ChatGPT co-creator.
The very same, co-creator of ChatGPT and GPT-4. He's now chief scientist for Meta's brand new Superintelligence Lab. It's a billion-dollar move, signals Meta's really aggressive push for AGI, artificial general intelligence.
Directly reporting to Zuckerberg, too, I heard.
That's right. Shows you just how strategic this hire is. It's clearly a war of talents, as some are calling it. Meta's leveraging its structure as a weapon here.
That's a bold strategic play from Meta. So how are governments making sure they stay in the game, in this global AI competition?
Well, the U.S. government, specifically the National Science Foundation, is making a pretty significant play. They've just injected $100 million into 5 new AI research institutes.
100 million?
Yep. And it's not just about throwing money at it. It's a deliberate, kind of holistic strategy. They want to foster breakthroughs, things like materials discovery, aiming for like 10 to 100 times faster.
It's the discovery. Wow.
Yeah, and building a national hub that connects research directly to industry.
Yeah.
It's all about creating a sustainable innovation pipeline and an AI-ready workforce for you.
So strategic investment is clearly key. But okay, what about bringing that cutting-edge AI power directly to your devices, to the end user?
Ah, right. That's where AMD steps in with something really interesting, a real game changer potentially. Their new drivers now let Ryzen AI Max Plus PCs. These are specific types of PCs. Run massive 128 billion parameter large language models locally.
Locally, on the PC itself, like Llama 4 Scout.
Yeah. Exactly, like Llama 4 Scout.
Right.
This basically democratizes advanced AI access for you. It enhances privacy, makes things more responsive by shifting the processing power from the cloud right onto your laptop.
That really changes things.
It completely redefines what an AI PC actually means and does.
Yeah.
It's a direct challenge to the existing way of doing things.
Okay, incredible power in your pocket, basically. But with tools this powerful, how are AI companies handling the ethical side? Especially in, sensitive areas like education, cheating concerns and all that.
Yeah, that's a huge issue. OpenAI is trying to tackle this head on. They're attempting to reconcile AI's power with classroom needs. Responding to those academic honesty concerns you mentioned, they've launched a new study mode for ChatGPT.
Study mode, how does that work?
It offers sort of Socratic tutoring. It breaks down concepts, quizzes students.
Yeah.
The idea is to foster deeper learning, not just give answers. Now, users can easily disable it, so it's not foolproof. But it's a clear strategic move. They want to build trust with educators and, frankly, unlock that massive global education market. It's a delicate balancing act, trying to be a tool, not just a cheat sheet.
A step towards trust, maybe. But what happens when that trust is, fundamentally broken, especially with security?
Well, we saw a near catastrophe recently that really highlighted some glaring AI security vulnerabilities. It was quite scary, actually.
What happened?
A hacker managed to inject wiper code. That's malware designed to literally wipe systems clean, delete data into an official Amazon Q developer extension update.
Into an official update, wow.
Yeah, it aimed to clean a system, as they put it. This potential disaster, this ungrenaded grenade, as some called it, was only averted by a simple syntax error in the code. Pure luck.
Just luck, that's chilling.
It really is. It's a stark reminder that AI development can sometimes move faster than security can keep up. It demands a zero-trust approach, across the entire AI software supply chain. Affects everyone.
A truly lucky escape, then. Okay, with AI moving so fast, how are the more traditional industries protecting their stuff, their intellectual property, from these powerful new generative tools?
Right, the IP question. Well, Hollywood giants are sharpening their legal swords, basically.
Mm.
Disney and Universal have filed a major copyright lawsuit against Midjourney.
Midjourney, the image generator.
Exactly. They're essentially calling it a bottomless pit of plagiarism.
Ah.
Strong words. They're alleging unauthorized use of iconic characters. Think Darth Vader, the Minions.
Oh, wow. You can generate those.
Apparently so. And their core argument is that Midjourney could filter these infringements but has, quote, refused. This is becoming a landmark case. It could really redefine IP law and potentially force generative AI companies to fundamentally change their business models.
So the battle for creativity, for ownership, it really rages on. Okay, shifting gears completely. What if AI could be like perfectly trustworthy, especially in really complex fields like, say, mathematics?
That's kind of the holy grail, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there's a promising startup, Harmonic, that believes they've actually cracked it. A bold claim.
What are they claiming?
They've unveiled Aristotle, an AI promising hallucination-free mathematical reasoning. No making stuff up.
Hallucination-free.
Their secret sauce is this unique hybrid approach. The AI generates potential solutions, but then, and this is key, a non-AI algorithm formally verifies them, rigorously checks the math.
So AI proposes, traditional algorithm disposes, or confirms.
Kind of, yeah. And it's not just talk.
Huh.
It apparently achieved an IMO gold medal level that's International Mathematical Olympiad in formally verified tests. This could be huge for unlocking AI adoption in high-stakes critical industries where you absolutely need certainty, finance, engineering.
That is an astonishing claim with huge implications.
Yeah.
And speaking of specialized AI, what's happening in the world of enterprise solutions, business applications?
Yeah, big moves there too. A massive acquisition is shaking up the enterprise AI market right now. Nice. Which is a global leader in customer experience AI, CX. AI has acquired Cognigy.
Cognigy, how much?
For approximately $955 million. Nearly $1 billion.
Wow, why?
It's not just about getting bigger, it's strategic. They want to accelerate what they call AI-first customer experience using agentic AI. Think autonomous software agents designed specifically for CX operations, handling customer interactions more intelligently.
Agentic AI autonomous software.
Exactly. They're targeting a $30 billion market here, and this move strengthens NICE's specialized expertise against the more, generic cloud providers, shows the growing need for highly specific AI tools.
Okay, so the race for intelligent automation is definitely heating up. All right, finally.
Yeah.
What's the next frontier? AI integration into our daily lives. And what's the catch, maybe, for our privacy?
Well, Amazon's latest acquisition is literally bringing AI closer to you, maybe closer than some are comfortable with. They just bought Bee.
Bee? What's Bee?
It's a startup making a pretty cheap smart wristband, like $49.99, but with always-on microphones.
Always on,
Okay,
recording constantly.
That's the idea. Continuously recording conversations to provide summaries later. This shift away from needing a wake word like Alexa to just constant listening. It raises significant privacy concerns, obviously.
Yeah, no kidding.
For sure. But for Amazon, you have to assume it's about capturing that ambient, unstructured data, the stuff happening around you all the time to fuel the next generation of predictive AI and commerce.
An intriguing and maybe a bit unsettling glimpse into a future where AI is truly embedded everywhere.
Yeah, unsettling is one word for it. So you see how interconnected all these stories are, right?
Yeah.
The hardware race, like Tesla Samsung, it directly fuels AI on devices like those AMD PCs, which then brings up new security and privacy challenges like the Amazon Q Flaw or the Bee acquisition. And the talent war, like Meta hiring Zhao and the government investments, they underscore this intense global competition. While the legal and ethical battles like Disney versus Midjourney or the OpenAI study mode, that's like society's immune system responding to this incredibly rapid change.
It's a lot to track. So what should people keep an eye on?
Definitely keep an eye on the regulatory front. Governments are trying to catch up. The hardware wars aren't slowing down. Crucial legal decisions like Disney versus Midjourney could set major precedents. And of course, always watch for those unpredictable research breakthroughs, like Aristotle. It's genuinely an exponential era we're in.
Strategic vigilance, then. It isn't just a recommendation anymore.
No, it's pretty essential if you want to navigate, maybe even help shape tomorrow's world.
Join us tomorrow on RG News for the day's AI news. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell.